Hello, my name's Benjamin Miles, and I'm the CEO of Modernized Startups LLC. We started Modernized Startups in order to help teach individuals about how to start a business and show people concrete steps that they can take in order to create a business. Having said that, we have an idea to launch one of our products, a 3D printed house business card holder. The video that we're hoping to create is to fill the little 3D printed houses with money or cash, uh, and then giving these homes away to the homeless. Uh, and we think it's a really good idea because one, it helps launch our product that we're right now trying to get traffic for. And number two is it's supporting the homeless, which is one of my passions. When I was in undergrad, freshman year of college, I actually stayed out all night and interacted with the homeless population near my school, and then raised a gift basket and gave that away to the homeless. I just feel that we should all work together in order to help those less fortunate than us. And I thought of this idea while watching a few other YouTube videos. I found a YouTuber called Mr. Beast, and all his videos have been going viral lately. And I think that my idea of giving away these little 3D printed houses to the homeless would be a viral video. I'm trying to raise $100,000. The entire amount of $100,000 I want to put into the 3D printed houses and give those to the homeless. So I'm not trying to raise any money for my business. I'm trying to just raise these funds to give to the homeless population near in Boston and in Providence. Uh, Hopefully, the video will have traction behind it and be able to help us advertise these 3D printed houses. But if that happens, great. If not, I still gave $100,000 away to the homeless, and I'll be happy. Uh, so please donate to my campaign to make this video happen, and hopefully give $100,000 away to the homeless. If I do raise the $100,000 amount, what I would do is in each city that I'm going to, I would calculate out the amount of money it would take to get a one bedroom apartment, and then have that much money go into the houses. And that way, in the video, when I say we're giving away homes to the homeless, they actually get enough money where they can go out and get an apartment. That's my hope, and I really can't say this enough. I need your help in order to do this. If you're a business or owner and you donate to this plan, please reach out to me at modernizedstartups@gmail.com, or at my personal phone number 508-963-6707, and I can have your logo show up as under sponsors at the end of our video. Hopefully we can make this happen. Thanks.